So the chapter 15, Fundamental Insurance, fill in the blanks. Provincial Insurance Act, Regulation of Brokers. The function of Insurance Council of BC are licensing, handling complaints, we fill in the blanks. Disciplining of brokers, so they discipline brokers. In BC there are 3 levels of step licensing. Each level has its own education requirement. Ethical standard mean moral obligations. Each licensee is required to observe ethical standard in his dealings. Failing this requirement could result in the termination. Do you know ethical means? Nobody watch you, you watch yourself. You look into the mirror, right? You don't do something wrong, right? It means you just follow the ethics. It's a code of conduct, code of behavior, right? So basically you speak the truth, you are honest, right? And you don't cheat clients. And nobody watch you, you watch yourself. So that's code of ethics. So basically, if you don't follow, so your license can be terminated. Lacking of ethical standard includes, basically, how do you find out, this guy lacks? It means this guy is misrepresentation. So you are delivering the policy to home, which you can't. Misrepresentation, you are misrepresenting somebody. You don't work for a company, you say you have that company, right? And fraud, you commit fraud, right? Most of the insurance agent, what do? They just sign for the client themselves. They don't want to drive, they sign for the fraud. You can't sign. Forgery, right? Dishonesty. So you can't be that. Rebating means you return the premium, right? Or you pay, basically rebating, you can't do insurance. Tide selling. Do you know tide selling means? Basically I'll say you buy the life from me, I'll pay for your general insurance. You pay me $200 a month, for life insurance. So general insurance $1,000 I'll pay. So that's tide selling. Basically means making the issues of an insurance policy, right, contingent on the purchase of another insurance policy, right? You buy this one, then I'll sell you this one, right? So basically you tie, right? So that's called tied. This one mostly comes in the exam, right? So embezzlement, misappropriation mean misuse of funds. So basically the client has given you a check to deposit, to give to the broker, right? But you have spent their money yourself. Can you do that? You can't do that. Paid by the client for their insurer. If you do that, you lose your license. Conviction of a criminal offense. Conviction of criminal offense. Criminal means you drink and drive, you beat somebody, you all those things, If you're convicted, then you have to report to them right away. They may suspend your license. Taking advantage of clients' inexperience. So the guy doesn't know, we just charge him more, right? So all of these are the lacking of. You will see in the graph. So that was your chapter 15.